Welcome, dear Dinka learners. I'm William Majak. Let us learn or change the following from English to Dinka. Let's begin from 1. Close the door. In Dinka, tiok otok. Tiok otok. Tiok otok. Go inside. In Dinka, lor along thin. Lor along thin. Lor along thin. Go outside. Go outside. Lor air. Lor air. Lor air. Air mean outside. Where is your brother? Is the question. Where is your brother? In Dinka, Wamut atau teno. Wamut atau teno. Tau wamut teno. Yes, you can say like that. Tau wamut teno or wamut atau teno. Wamut mean your brother. Go play outside. In Dinka, Lord Twitch air. Lord Twitch air. Or Lord Pull air. Lord Pull air. I will beat you in the game. Yinba tiam. Yinba tiam. Yinba tiam. Ta. Am. Tiam mean to win or to beat your opponent. You can also say and being tiam and be yin tiam and being tiam or in batat. In batat mean you are beating someone. Yeah, or caning the shal in batat. Let's read. In Dinka, kwenku. 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 Let's read. Your mother is calling you. In Dinka, Mamadu e yichol. Mamadu e yichol or Mamadu e yinchol. You can also say more e yinchol. More e yinchol. Mamadu. Mamadu mean your mother or more mean your mother. So you can use any word you like. 9. Your father is calling you. Your father is calling you. In Dinka, ur e yinchol. Ur e yinchol. Ur e yinchol, or you can also say Babadu e yinchol. Babadu e yinchol. 10. Call your mother for me. Call your mother for me. You say Chol Mamadu then an. Chol Mamadu then an or Chol more then an. Chol more then an. Where are you going? Okay, guys, this is the end. Please watch the full video in our YouTube channel. I have explained it there and explain everything there. It's very easy and you will understand more. Please go there and subscribe. The name of our YouTube is called Dinka English TV5. Please go there, subscribe, like, and comment also there. And thank you very much. Please follow us on TikTok, Learn Dinka with Majak, and also in this Facebook page, Dinka Will Dialogue. Please follow, share, comment. Thank you very much. God bless you. Dornialik Kawik, Wiane, Ayan, William Majak. Bye bye for now.